Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Skyscanner. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Skyscanner. Maybe because you are going to travel somewhere, so you want to check for different places, book a flight, get a hotel. So you want to give it a try on Skyscanner. Or maybe you have heard a lot about this app, so you just want to go through that and then you could plan your trip on it. Or there could be any other reason for you to create your account on Skyscanner. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. In case if you don't know what a Skyscanner is, so Skyscanner is an app. With the help of that, you can book flights, you can book hotels, you can rent cars, and if you're looking for some of the places to visit, you can find them on this app. So this app will help you if you're a traveler, if you're just going to visit a place. So first what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the Skyscanner app. Once the app gets open, first it will ask you for some of the permissions, so you may allow it or you may deny it. It's all up to you. After that, it will again show you that what kind of data information they take from your account. So if you're okay with that, you have to click on OK, and after that it will show you this thing. Now if you want to create your account on it, here you have to provide your email. You can use your Apple ID for it, your Facebook ID, your Gmail account, and any other email account of your choice. You just have to simply tap onto any one of these options and then enter your details such as your email address, and after that it will take you here. Now again it is asking you if you want to go through some of the things. So here you just simply click on maybe later, but if you want to go through, then you can click on yes please, otherwise you will be there. That means your account has been created. Now what you could do is that you can book flights, you can book hotels, and if you're going for a road trip, you can also book car that you could rent and can ride on your own. And there are other options as well you can explore. And if you're a traveler or if you're going on a vacation, then this app will be very helpful for you, because with the help of that you can plan your trip to any other city or country of your choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.